5 books that will help you grow. This video is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Want to grow in 2025, mentally, financially, and personally? You don't need another viral quote or 3-minute TikTok. You need real information that challenges how you think. So here are 5 books that have helped thousands of people grow their mindset, money, and life. And they might just do the same for you. Line 1, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This is the book that opens your eyes to how money really works. Assets, liabilities, passive income, and why the school system never taught you this stuff. Why read it? It helps you shift from employee thinking to investor thinking. And that mindset change is where wealth begins. Now 2, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book shows you how tiny changes lead to massive results. Forget motivation. Well, this is about systems, identity, and momentum. Why read it? You'll stop relying on willpower and start designing your life one habit at a time. 3, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Money isn't just numbers. It's emotion, behavior, and mindset. This book breaks down how people think about money and how that thinking often sabotages them. Why read it? It makes you more emotionally intelligent with your finances, and that is more valuable than any chart. 4, Deep Work by Cal Newport. If you're easily distracted or stuck in low focus loops, this book is a game changer. It explains how to train your brain to focus, block out noise, and do truly meaningful work in a world that's designed to distract you. Why read it? Because deep focus shields rare value, and rare value hope for high income. 5, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant by Eric Jorgensen. This isn't your typical self-help book. It's a collection of thoughts on wealth, happiness, leverage, and life, straight from a modern-day philosopher and tech investor. Why read it? It teaches you to stop trading time for money and start playing long-term games with smart leverage. The right book at the right time can flip a switch in your brain. And sometimes, all it takes is one idea to change your entire direction. Comment below, have you read any of these? Or do you have a book that helped you grow? Smash that like if you're serious about growth, and subscribe to the Wealth Loop for more content on mindset, money, and the tools to build your future.